In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently invite your accountant to access your QuickBooks Online account. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone managing their finances, having your accountant directly access your QuickBooks account can significantly streamline your financial management process. This tutorial will ensure that you can seamlessly collaborate with your accountant, making the task of sharing financial data a breeze. To get started, you'll first need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Most people use Chrome for its speed and compatibility, but any browser should work. Enter the URL for QuickBooks Online and sign into your account using your credentials. If you're logging in for the first time today, take a moment to ensure that you're signing in with the right account to prevent any mix-ups later. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which is your gateway to a variety of settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with different options. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll notice an option called Manage Users. Select this option, and you'll be directed to the Manage Users page. Now, you're going to direct your attention towards the Accounting Firms tab. This is the section where you can formally invite your accountant to access the financial data stored within your QuickBooks account. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step in our process. You'll find an Invite Accountant button waiting for you. Once you click on it, a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter your accountant's email address. This is an important detail, so double check that you've entered the correct email to avoid any mishaps. After entering the email address, all it takes is a click on Save or Send Invitation based on what your screen prompts you to do. This step officially sends an invitation to your accountant, allowing them access to view and manage your financial data within the constraints of the permissions granted. Now, let's move on to a crucial aspect which happens on your accountant's end. Your accountant will soon receive an email invitation. It might take a couple of minutes, but it's worth the wait. This email contains the details they need to connect to your QuickBooks company profile. Once they accept this invitation, they'll be granted access with special accountant permissions. This means they now have the ability to review and manage your financials directly without constantly needing to request documents from you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've ensured a smoother, more direct line of communication with your accountant. This setup not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of miscommunication regarding your important financial data. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay on top of your financial health.